Hi everyone, my name is Kaidi Rifat. Today I will show you tutorial about how to use Meta AI from WhatsApp. First of all, make sure you have the WhatsApp application. If not, then download it at Play Store or App Store. If you already have it, open the WhatsApp application. Then press this button. After pressing the button, a menu like this will appear. Here there are several recommendations from the system for using Meta AI. Apart from those recommendations, we can also use it to create images, create song lyrics, and so on. Meta AI can also be used in chat groups. The way is that we have to tag Meta AI first, then type what we need to use the Meta AI, and the Meta AI will show the answer for your question. That's all the tutorial about how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. Hope it can help you all, and thank you and see you soon.